Quantum physics, the study of the universe at its smallest scales, unveils some of the most perplexing phenomena. Ideas that defy our everyday understanding and challenge our deepest intuitions. Among these, quantum entanglement stands out as particularly enigmatic and often misinterpreted. Often depicted in science fiction, it involves particles that remain interconnected regardless of the distance separating them, challenging the very fabric of our classical view of the universe. Picture two coins tossed at the same moment. Should one show heads, the other will reveal tails instantly, irrespective of the distance between them. This is quantum entanglement, though with subatomic particles instead of coins. This transcendent connection, defying both space and time, puzzled even Einstein, who famously criticized it as spooky action at a distance. But is it really spooky, or is it a unique type of connection that we are just starting to comprehend? Join us as we explore the enigmatic world of entangled particles and attempt to unravel the mysteries of this seemingly mystical phenomenon. Let's picture a pair of gloves, one right and one left. Imagine they get separated and sent to different parts of the world. If you open a box and find a right glove, you instantly know the other box contains the left glove, even if it's miles away. This is a bit like entanglement, but with a crucial difference. In the case of gloves, the information about which glove is where was always there. It was determined the moment they were separated. But with entangled particles, the information isn't predetermined. It's only when you observe one particle that the state of the other is instantly determined, no matter how far apart they are. Think of two spinning coins, their outcome's uncertain until you stop one. The moment you do, the other coin instantly chooses its state, as if linked by an invisible thread. This is what makes entanglement so strange. It's not just that the particles are correlated, it's that their fates are intertwined in a way that seems to defy our notions of space and time. The spookiness of entanglement arises from our classical way of thinking. We're used to things having definite properties, independent of observation. But in the quantum world, things are fuzzier, less defined. Entangled particles don't have individual predetermined states, they exist in a shared, uncertain state until observed. This doesn't mean there's some mystical force connecting them faster than light. Instead, it suggests a deeper, more fundamental connection, one that transcends our classical notions of space and time. The information revealed when we observe one entangled particle isn't transmitted to the other, it's already shared between them, encoded in their entangled state. Entanglement isn't just a theoretical curiosity, it has the potential to revolutionize technology. From ultra-secure communication networks to super-fast quantum computers, the ability to harness this strange connection could reshape our world. So while entanglement may seem spooky at first glance, it's ultimately a testament to the weird, wonderful, and powerful nature of the quantum world. Pause to S. As we venture deeper into the quantum realm, we unlock the door to a universe where the possibilities are as vast as they are mystifying. Imagine a future where our understanding of entanglement leads not only to groundbreaking advancements in technology, but also to a new way of seeing our connection to the universe and each other. Pause 3, S. Every discovery in quantum physics not only pushes the boundaries of what's possible, but also challenges our very perceptions of reality. Pause 2, S. As we conclude this exploration of quantum entanglement, remember that this is just the beginning of a journey into the heart of the universe. A journey that promises to reshape our understanding of everything around us. Pause 4S. So as we reach the end of today's video, let's not see it as a conclusion, but as an invitation to keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep marveling at the mysteries that await us. Pause 3S. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video where we'll unravel more fascinating secrets of our universe.